Where are we going? Cincinnati Nature something.
See, Nature Center. It's center.
1 eternity later.
So we're looking at the purple guy. I pointed out to him. Jax.
Oh, wait, no, here.
Good to go. Think we're gonna get kicked out? We'll run. Yeah. Bridge. This is pretty cool.
Oh, look over there. We gotta go over there.
Over there. Better at balancing. No. Jaclyn, you ready to climb these stairs?
Yes.
We're climbing all of these stairs. That's a lot of stairs, if you ask me.
I won't be out of breath.
You won't be or will be? Promise? Immediately takes out phone and starts taking the picture. Is she out of breath? Listen. She's holding her breath.
I'm not that.
Jaclyn's attempting. Oh. You good? It's kind of steep. You good?
Yeah. Actually, I have no idea if I'm good. I don't think I'm gonna go because I'm gonna slip.
She tried, everyone.
I tried.
Want to sit in it?
Not really.
Do you want me to sit in it?
Yeah. Oh. What?
We're doing this, so don't kick it over. You're a freaking genius.
I'm glad we realized there was an opening in that thing.
Contemplating taking the canoe out. Feel how heavy it is.
Not that bad. I think we should do it.
Yeah.
We want to get kicked out.
Yeah, let's do it. Screw it. Should we? You wanted to.
Are we gonna get in trouble? Like, why would they keep it here though?
Yeah, I think. Let's just see what happens.
It's locked down. That sucks. It's chained down.
Chained to the ground. That would have been cool.
What a bummer.
People, the man's holding us down, Jaclyn. The Turtle Trail. So out of 10, how was the date?
I would say 9.5.
9.5 out of 10.
What would you say?
Good. I was thinking 9. I was thinking something like that.
I liked this trail better than the last one.
This trail better than the last one?
Yeah, I think there was more to do on this one.
I think we need to come back. There's a lot of trails we didn't hit. And we still have dinner time, so that's still part of the date, right? That counts.
Yes.
9 and a 9.5. We'll see how that changes with dinner. How do we get out of here?
Unless I don't like dinner. Just kidding.
You're real pissed after dinner. A lot of mac and cheese. We got the pulled stuff. We got the bottles of Pepsi. We're ready to go.